Joshy Joker, do 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 do.
Today, bro, with the Joshy Joker flow, got 10k, yo. Oh, million quid in my bank, a billion subscribers.
Mutant. Well, hello there. Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Josh, episode 2. Today I'm going to be making chicken tikka masala. So first you want to cut up the onions and peel away the wrapping first. So I'm just going to cut this onion. Well, it's already cut, so this one's not. So all you want to do is peel away the wrapping so it's nice and easy. Take one. Then you want to cut it from this side and chop it down. And there's water in. Quite really bad. So I'll start crying on this pause the video. So yeah. Drink. Yep, all chops. So now I'm going to put some butter in the pan. Just stop crying. So I'm going to cut all this up and I'll show you that now. Okay, so now I'm going to be cutting the butter across, so straight down, like that. So now I'm going to be putting this in the oven, no, pan. So you go.
Okay.
Right, so now I'm just going to put it in the pan with the vegetable oil. And I'm going to turn the heat on and put it on low. Right, so now it's on low, I'm just going to make sure the butter's even amount. It's going to slowly melt, and I'm going to show you once it's fully done. Okay? Okay, so now all the onions are in the pan. So now it's all evened out. So far it's looking pretty good. Do you agree?
Yes.
Cool. Okay guys, now that the onions and the oil and the butter is cooking, let us simmer for 15 minutes. We're going to chop up all of this pepper, and we're going to add 6 tablespoons of this, which is chicken tikka masala paste. So now all we're going to do is cut up this. So yep. Should be done. Yep. Just gonna put this in the food disposal bin because yeah. Boop. Now we're going to chop it in half. Boom. Now I'm going to cut in all these white bits. And we're going to use a spoon to get out all the seeds and all the bad stuff, which we don't need. So right now I'm just getting out all the white bits because you do not need them. Then you scoop out all the seeds. Right, done. So now I'm going to use a spoon and put away all the seeds. Here's one pepper done, clean. Now second pepper. Gonna do that. Right. Both of them are empty. So now I'm just gonna put all these seeds into the dispose because yep. Right. Done. Now I'm going to chop up these onions into tiny pieces. And if you don't like pepper, you won't even taste it, so it's fine. Because I hate pepper. But you can't taste it. It just gives it a tiny bit of flavour. So yeah, okay, so now our onions are all fully cooked. So now we're going to add in all these peppers. Okay, so now we're going to add 2 cups of masala sauce. Cool. So it's 6 tablespoons, but it's the equivalent of it if it's 2 small cups. So now you just give it a stir. That's pretty much it. So now we're going to move on to our next ingredient. Okay, we're back, and now as we're cooking, without stirring it, we need to cut chicken, even though it's raw. So yeah, so it's about the size of your thumb, so about that size. And then all you do is cut down. So yeah, I'll cut one, then skip. Basically, I'll just basically cut the video, so it's easy for you guys to watch. So it's pretty easy to do. It's not even that hard at all. Just try and make it as even as you can, and about 2.5 centimeters. So aim for about the size of your thumb if you're about 13, if not 2 little thumbs. Right, so that's two chickens. So I'll show you what it looks like once it's done. Okay, so now that I've done all the chicken, all I need to do now is add the chicken to the pan. Add this mix up we pre-made. It's basically this mango stuff, but it's got some spice in. So that's what that's made out of, and like some corn flour. And we made our own tomato puree, and we made just some clear water. So now I'm going to put all of these into the pan over. I'm just going to put this in there. One piece fell. Let's put it there. Alright, so now I'm going to add in this in a minute, and all my water and my puree and stuff. Right, so now I'm going to add the mango mixture. The puree. And the water. And finally I'm going to add the tomatoes. Get the last bit of that. There you go. Right, so now we've got 2 full cans of tomatoes, all chopped. And second one. And now we stir. Looks pretty good. Right, so now that all that's just going to be cooking for about 15 to 20 minutes with everything. So now we're going to start making our rice, so we'll get out the packet and get it all ready. Okay? Right, so now we're going to add about a sixth of the pan into this with water. Should be enough. Maybe a bit more. Right. Now I'm going to put it right next to this and turn the stove on high. Whichever one it is. Yeah. And now that's going to start. Right. Now our rice is pretty much done. So is our curry. So now I'm just going to add these yogurts and stuff to make it nice and creamy. So yeah, what he's doing now is he's adding all the cream and stuff to thicken it all up. So now we've added all the cream and yogurt to it, and our rice is finally done. That's the yogurt, what we put it all in, right there. And we also wet the naan bread, and it's going to go into our microwave. Okay. So I'll see you in a minute.